Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out Urban Decay's Brow Blade. So if you guys want to hear a little bit about the product and see how I feel about it, then keep watching. Okay guys, so Urban Decay was kind enough to send over their brow blade since they saw my last video. So they sent me two shades here. So I have Dark Drapes and Neutral. Try these two. So I did get a comment on my inked brow video saying that Dark Drapes is super dark for the brow blade formula. So I might need to go with Neutral. If you guys don't know about this product, it's a double-ended ink stain waterproof brow pencil that gives brows the definition and precision of microblading without the commitment. So this is $26, which isn't bad, but we'll see how it performs and if it's worth that. But this is free of sulfates, parabens. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. Let's see what this guy looks like. I like this tube. Okay, so one side is an ink stain and the other is a waterproof pencil. So this side is the pencil, then that is the ink stain. By looking at that ink stain on my hand, I'm wondering if I do want to go in with Dark Drapes. Yeah, I like that color better. This one is Dark Drapes. So it looks like more of a cool toned, which I like cool toned more than I do warm tone. I just feel like it looks more natural. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this guy. And I'm wondering which you apply first. Okay, so I read the instructions and it says to use the pencil side to create the shape. And then you go in and use the marker side to create the hair-like strokes. So if you have any sparse areas, it's saying to fill that in with the pencil first before you use the ink side, just to make it look more natural. All right guys, so going in with the pencil side. I'm gonna map out my shape. I love how thin and precise the brush side is. So I feel like I did a better job on this eyebrow with not filling it in. And then this one, I almost completely filled it in. I don't know why I did that. That was stupid. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the ink side. It says to start at the base of the brow and then flick up. I do really like that. Now let me try the inner part of my brow. So I don't know if I would use the actual ink part on the inner corner of my eyebrow, just because I like more of like a, what am I trying to say? Almost like an ombre brow, but not like those extreme ombre brows. But I do like my eyebrow to look a little bit lighter in the front. I don't know, like I like the gradual darkness. But I do like how easy that is. And I love how dark it is. I really like the shade. Do it on this side. So it is super easy to put too much on and then you're kind of screwed. I'm like barely breathing. I just noticed I'm breathing so shallow, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. This is not looking good. I also feel like I'm just not having a good brow day. I'm gonna try to get a Q-tip. See if I can smudge this out a little bit. Ugh, I'm looking like I have like a blocky brow. All right, we're gonna make this work. So I'm going back in with the pencil side. All right, so I was able to save them a little bit. I feel like I'm looking dangerously close to my old eyebrows, which if you guys have been following me for like even a year, you'll have seen those. Oh my God. I'll have to pop up a picture for you guys because that was crazy. Some of you guys tried to warn me, but I didn't listen. It took a whole year of those brows. But yeah, so okay, so my final thoughts on this product. I definitely will be using this, but I'll just be using it for the end. Funny enough though, I feel like the reason why I really like it has nothing to do with why this product is actually around. Like this is for making it look like you have microbladed brows. Like it's that really like defined lines kind of look. And I like that look on other people, but I don't know if I like it on me. But anyway, I like the inked side because it does give you a really dark effect. And I find when I use pencils, like this pencil was really good. It was nice and dark, but I liked the ink side because it was just like a whole other level of pigment and it just like sunk into the brow hairs. Like it just looked really it just looks really nice on the edge of my brows there. But I won't be using the ink side for the inner part of my brows. I just learned that lesson now. But I'll probably feather it in super, super lightly with the pencil side on the inner parts. But yeah, for the most part, I really like this product. I'll have to use it the way that I want to use it next time. This was just a trial run, but I think this is a really good price for this, $26. This looks like it's gonna last a long time, and let me roll up this pencil. Hopefully this part doesn't come out or else I'll be really upset. Oh wow, just keeps going. So this is how much product you have in there. That should last a really long time for me, especially since I'm just gonna be using this on the inner corners of my brows. And I'm gonna be using a really light hand since this is a really dark color. So 26 isn't bad. And I love the fact that this is waterproof. That's just such a great like added benefit. All in all, I feel like I like this product more than I like the Inked Brow. I like the Inked Brow for a totally different reason. I feel like it looks more, you have more like of a natural brow look. I don't know. I just really like the precision tip pencils. That way I can really get in there and sculpt my brows the way that I want them to be. I'm like not even talking correctly. But a pencil is just so much easier than just something that's like straight ink or straight pigment, because you can mess it up like really quickly, like you guys saw on the inner corners. Luckily I was able to buff that out though with a Q-tip. I don't think it looks that bad, but it wouldn't be my normal brow choice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm gonna stay barefaced for this because I'm going right into another video after this. I'm gonna review another like eyeshadow collection and lip collection and things like that. So I'm batching videos today, look at me. But I love you guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. That really helps me out. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you wanna see more videos from me. And I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.